Properties of rectangles. Part 1. Let's talk about the basics. Hashtag. So, as you should know already from our basic vocab, rectangles are parallelograms, which means opposite sides are congruent. And opposite sides are parallel. And you'll see me using the symbol for parallel. Two little slashy lines. But there's a little bit more to rectangles. They're a special parallelogram. Not only are opposite sides congruent and parallel, consecutive sides are perpendicular, which gives us those right angles, 90 degrees. There's the symbol for perpendicular. Each consecutive side, each pair of sides are perpendicular to each other. But wait, you might be thinking, is that it? No. There is more to the rectangle. We're going to talk about diagonals. But first, you might need a definition for diagonal. A diagonal is a segment that connects, or that has endpoints, at two vertices of a polygon, and those vertices should not be next to each other. So there's an example on a pentagon. So that means in a rectangle, those diagonals are congruent. So take, for example, a softball field. It's the same distance from first base to third base as it is from second base to home plate. The diagonals also bisect each other, which creates little congruent segments. Each little piece formed by the diagonals intersecting will be congruent to all of the other three. So if we take a look at a picture of a barn door, those smaller pieces of wood are congruent to each other. So this has been a Mrs. Grayburn original geometry video. And I love rectangles. Rectangles.